it's Sula here from MistyHilltops.com, and today I'm going to show you a Traveler's Notebook album that I made using a paper pack from Action, that is a store in Europe that sells very inexpensive just all kinds of things, but also always has a little scrapbook section there where it has several kinds of paper packs. Now, they don't come with embellishments, so the embellishments I always have to make myself, but I am really happy with the paper pads that they usually have, 12 by 12, and it's sturdy cardstock. So I made this album as a traveler's notebook, so it has the traditional traveler's notebook size, which is 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, and then this is these are die cuts. I worked a lot with die cuts on this album. So here's the first page, and so this is actually from a different paper pack, but from the same store, and these are either the squares and all that I probably cut out myself, but this is a die cut, and these are die cuts as well. So here's the first page. I decided to have it ring bound because I wanted to be able to treat it like a full scrapbook layout. And so when it's ring bound, you can cut right through, and I'm worried that if things are the normal, like a booklet, then it will become too bulky from just even the folding over of things. So here, this is also a die cut. These are die cuts and stamps that set that go together, and so all these pieces are all die cut with the various die cuts I have available. This is a stamp that I then fussy cut, some more stamps, and then the rest are die cuts that I used all over the page. And then some more, these are just stamps that I fussy cut, and then this is a label that I die cut, and it should go on top here, actually, not underneath that photo. And then here comes the next page. This is just a piece that I got in one of the craft stores in Germany, and probably Teddy or one of those stores, and the rest is die cut pieces. This is a sticker that I made and cut and printed and cut on sticker sheet. These are more stamps and die cuts that go. This is fussy cut, more die cuts here. These are also, this is a die cut, this I just hand cut. Here I used a stencil for the background to stencil, and then I used another stencil to, and then I have watercolor pencils to watercolor basically the title here, and then this is a stamp that I used little circle die cuts for that. More die cuts on this side. Then here, this is another die cut part. These are die cuts. This is probably just hand cut or die cut, either way. This is a die cut alpha that I have on hand. More die cuts here, die cuts here, and then I made from all the different kinds of papers from that paper pack. I made little hexagons that I spread around the page, and then this is another die cut alpha. This is going back to the other paper pack, and I die cut this, and then I have this as a stamp set, and so this is a mixture of stamps and die cuts that I use for this page. And then we go here, and this is another stencil that I used. Then and here are these are stamps and die cut sets, or I may have fussy cut this, I forgot, but and then these are die cuts that I cut from watercolor paper where I just colored it previously, and then just die cut these pieces out from there. And that's this album. So it's a very small one. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, consider giving this a thumbs up. consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.